Good afternoon. My name is Imade Dwi Statmaja. Today, I will present the research with the title The Design of the CAC UCLA Evaluation Model using TOPSIS and AHP methods for optimizing digital library services in Badung Regency. Other authors in this research were Mr. Dewa Gedendra Devayana and Mr. Gatot Setaman. Several issues were faced by Pustaka Gita Digital Library in Badung Regency. Excellent service quality can be achieved if the number of service issues can be minimized. The digital library services need recommendation about which services aspect prioritized to be optimized to achieve excellent service quality. Based on previous literature, it was described if CAC UCLA is suitable for the evaluation of digital library. TOPSIS and AHP used to determine the lowest rank of CAC UCLA aspects as optimization priority, but it is not yet known the level of effectiveness of CAC UCLA evaluation model components combined with TOPSIS and AHP as a reporting tool for decision making. The question in this research: how was the design of TOPSIS and AHP as a ranking mechanism based on the evaluation model aspect of CAC UCLA to optimize the Pustaka Gita digital library services? The objective is to design a CAC UCLA evaluation model by using TOPSIS and AHP as a ranking mechanism for aspects of Pustaka Gita digital library services that will be optimized. Related research as a reference. Research by Setiawan and Surinata in 2017 evaluate conventional library using chip method. The weakness of this research was not shown the ranking aspect included in the evaluation. Study by Devayana et al. In 2018 about the design of CAC UCLA combined with weighted product for optimizing digital library services. This study still did not measure effectiveness level of the method that used. Research by Widianta et al. In 2018 about the comparison of multi-criteria decision support methods. This research saw a significant difference in outcomes between TOPSIS and AHP. Research method. Research subjects were Pustaka Gita management staff and an expert. The location of this research was the Regional Archive and Library Office of Badung Regency. The types of data collection techniques used in the study include questionnaires, observation, interviews, and documentation studies. Data then organized and tabulated for the analysis process to compile the required evaluation aspect of the CAC UCLA model and get the weight value for TOPSIS and AHP as a ranking mechanism. Each aspect of CAC UCLA evaluation component for system assessment consists of legal foundation, vision, mission, objective, benefit, implementation guidelines, requirement of management staff, and participation support from people. Program planning consists of organizational structure, readiness of community ability to use digital library services, readiness of management staff ability for managing digital library services, readiness for the budget of Regional Archive and Library Office of Badung Regency, and readiness of facilities and infrastructure support. For program implementation, consists of training for management staff, socialization of features for user, and socialization of the use of software for management staff. For program improvement, consists of digital library operation for users, software setting required by the digital library, management of data collection, documents, and file by management staff of the digital library, and budget management by digital library management staff. And the last, program certification consists of user satisfaction and system reliability. The weighted calculation results of the program certification will be discussed herein. Based on an expert questionnaire between Tenable C1 and Reliability C2, the value of intensity of interest was 5, which was one element is more important than the others. Likewise, the result Tenable C1 against Assurance C3, Responsiveness C4, and Empathy C5, while the value of intensity of interest for other criteria have the same level of importance. Questionnaire results then converted into pairwise comparison. The next step was to normalize the pairwise comparison value. Next, the eigenvector value obtained based on average value of each row in the normalization result. So the weight value of C1 is 0.556, and for C2, C3, C4, and C5, each of which has a weight of 0.111. Consistency test was performed against the eigenvector values or weights with quite consistent results. Result of an expert questionnaires for system assessment, program planning, program implementation, and program improvement, all criteria are included in the benefit category, and each criterion has a weight of 0.2. For program certification, the module is included in the benefit category and has a weight value of 0.556, while for reliability, assurance, responsiveness, and empathy are included in the benefit category, and each criterion has a weight of 0.111. The initial design of TOPSIS in EHP as a ranking mechanism based on the evaluation model aspect of CSA UCLA to optimize the Pustaka Gita digital library services are as follows. The Pustaka Gita were evaluated using the CSA UCLA component, including of system assessment, program planning, program implementation, program improvement, and program certification. Each component had evaluation aspects, which will be ranked from the highest to the lowest. Data collection using main and complementary instruments in accordance with the aspect of the evaluation component. The data are grouped by Tenable, reliability, assurance, responsiveness, and empathy category. The next step is to determine the weight of the criteria for TOPSIS and HP method. TOPSIS and HP methods used to rank a number of aspects of the CSA UCLA evaluation component. Aspect with the lowest rank will be recommended to be optimized. The calculation result then compared with result by the expert to get accuracy of each method. Method with more accuracy used to provide decision recommendation for problems and constraints that need to be optimized. Conclusion. Research activities produce the design of CSA UCLA evaluation model combined with TOPSIS in EHP, which describes the stage of optimization for digital library services in Bandung Regency. TOPSIS in EHP used to rank the aspect included in the CSA UCLA evaluation component based on 5 service criteria: Tenable, reliability, assurance, responsiveness, and empathy, with their respective categories and weights. Future work. It will be necessary to consider adding expert to design the weights of the TOPSIS and EHP methods as comparison, thus increasing the accuracy of the result. For future research, other methods apart from TOPSIS and EHP can be applied to the CSA UCLA evaluation component aspect as comparison to the accuracy of the ranking results. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.